Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Marzocco GS3 with us in the shop. And it had came in for quite a lot of different things that we needed to do. Mainly, this machine is actually from 2011, and from what I can tell, this seems to be the first time it's ever been serviced. That's unsure if that is true or not, just kind of looking at all the parts in the machine and taking it apart. A lot of the parts were old. Pretty much what we did is the group head, which has the older style conical burr, or conical valve, had to be rebuilt. We did offer to replace it with the retrofit, which makes it easier for future repairs, but we ended up just buying the original conical kit, rebuilding it, making sure everything was nice, no leaks or anything like that. We also had to replace the steam on assembly because it was leaking out from the knob, and that's usually due to a few gaskets, but it's actually much cheaper to replace the entire assembly than to take the assembly out, take it into pieces and go through all of the rebuilding procedures and then putting it back in. So we did replace it with a completely brand new assembly. We did a 12 RPM, which includes replacing your expansion valve, your vacuum release valve, your boiler safety valve. The vacuum release valve is now the newer style, so it's easier to service for future repairs. And also we did replace the LED, or the screen on this machine for the PID, because the older one was giving out. You weren't able to read it. It still worked, but it wouldn't show you much. And so yeah, we're going to quickly test this machine by running a shot. Let it run. It's at around 10 bars right now. It just hit around 11. It's going to be a little slower because we did put quite a lot of coffee in there. It's around 21 to 22 grams of coffee, but it's coming out really nice. And since this is a dual boiler, you can use your steam one, which is now looking really good, especially with that new steam assembly. Nice locks in there so that if you wanted to just let go of it and let it run, you can. Or you can kind of just push it up and hold it yourself. We're going to turn off that shot. And then lastly, testing the hot water function. But yeah, everything's working well and as intended. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.